Today, we're going to go over the dashboard part of your GoHighLevel account. Now, when you first come in here, it's probably going to be empty, just like this one. Your default dashboard will be selected under this blue little arrow right here, and you'll have different dashboards to choose from. There's some that will come with your GoHighLevel account, but again, they're pretty much empty. You can have as many dashboards as you want, and I suggest that you specialize your dashboards. So if your websites in GoHighLevel, have an analytics dashboard. If you are tracking your contacts, you want to have a contacts dashboard. If you're using the opportunity pipeline, go ahead and have an opportunity pipeline dashboard. You can put them all into one, but then there's not a whole lot of point. It makes it hard to find the information, and it makes it scroll on and on. There's too much going on there. It's just easier to focus if you create a dashboard for every thing or category of thing that you want to track. So you can come in here and you can edit a dashboard. So like I said, your default one is probably going to be empty. So you can just click edit up here, and then everything is widgetized. So you just want to click add a widget. And then the widgets are broken down by categories. So you have contacts, appointments, opportunities, visitor data would be from the website, emails, calls, all these different things. And so I would suggest that you keep the things separated out by these categories. That way, your dashboards are focused on one part of your business. And then when you're all done, you'll have more than one dashboard over here, and you could choose which one you want to select. And if you want to set one as a default, then that is done in these three little buttons right here, where you can, on the default, but you would be able to set as default right here. So let's build one of these out, and I can show you how it works. So I've got a contacts one here. Now this is a testing site that I don't have a whole lot of information in. So what we want to do is just come over here and click the edit and then add a widget. And again, I'm going to stick with the contacts. So let's see what's in here. Contacts by source. This could be interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. The metric, don't have anything to choose from. Group, I'm not using groups in here. Probably a good thing to set up. And then under advanced settings, you can put all kinds of stuff in here, including date ranges. Now I have mine set till date, and that just means from whenever your account started up to this date. Then you can even do comparisons if you got that set up in there. And then you just click save. And then that's going to come over here, contacts by source. And it tells me right here where the sources are for these particular contacts. So then let's go back and go back into contacts, and let's see if there's anything else interesting. So by medium could be interesting. So we'll go ahead and do that. And again, we're just going to choose till date. And going to click save. And there's another one. I believe you can set these different types of charts. So if you wanted a bar chart instead, you could do that. So we're going to go ahead. Let's see what else we got in here. If you're using tags, the contacts by tags could be interesting because it would break down who's in your tags, I believe. So let's just see. I don't think I'm heavily using tags on this account, but let's see what it does. Yeah, there's a few in there. Let's see what else we got. Assigned users. So if you have more than one user, maybe you have employees, you can go ahead and do by assigned users. This would show nothing for me because I'm the only user. Contacts by company name. This would break out the business names if you want that. This I'm going to assume is going to be like a line chart. Yeah, it automatically chose line chart. And let's set this back to historical and save. And this is probably when I started the account and imported everybody in. So I'm going to come over here now X out of that. And now we've got our dashboard. It still isn't saved. Have saved changes right here, but you can click and drag these around. So put them in any order that you want. And then when you're all done, click Save Changes. And there you go. Now we have a contacts dashboard. Now in my main business, if I flip over here, I'm using the opportunity pipeline over here. So under dashboards, we have our opportunity stuff in here. Funnels, the stages, all of that. And I've got contacts mixed in here. So what I want to do now is I want to create a contacts dashboard over here. So I'm going to go into one of these that isn't being used to show you that you can just edit a dashboard. So now instead of adding a widget, so I'm going to label this one contacts. And instead of building it out like we just did in that other account, what I'm going to do is delete the ones that I don't want here. Don't need those. I was thinking I had contacts on here, but maybe not. That cleared that one out totally. So the contacts weren't on here. So now I'm going to just add a widget. Go to contacts. And we want this, our contacts count. And I want that from the beginning. Put that in there. And now we're going to come over here and we're going to go and we're going to add by source. And you notice they do have some other things. We've got conditions here if you want to weed it down even further, and even some color themes. So I don't know, on this one we could choose pink. And by medium, I like that. I think there was one more in here that was interesting. Could do top sources. Might as well do the tags one. And then if I find that I'm not using a specific piece that I put up here for data to help me analyze various things, I can always come in here and delete them. So these are really flexible, and I'm just going to leave it at that. So we're just going to click out of there, click Save. And now I have a contacts board. I need to set up an analytics one, etc., etc. So again, have a dashboard for every category of thing that you would like to track in your business.